Okay, so I had a request to make my famous homemade dinner roll. So here it is. This is the ingredients right here. Our wet ingredients. You have 1/3 cup of butter. You have 1 egg. You're gonna have 1/2 cup of water, and then 1/2 cup of milk. You're gonna mix them together because you're gonna put it in the microwave and warm it for 1 minute. Okay. Then these are your dry ingredients. That's your 3/4 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. Then you have 1 teaspoon of salt. You have 1/3 cup of sugar. This is 1/3 cup of sugar. Put it. And then 1 active dry sachet of active dry yeast. Just gonna pour it in. So you're gonna mix all your dry ingredients, and then you're gonna mix all your wet ingredients. I'm about to put this in the microwave for 1 minute, and I'll be back. So I'm back. I just warmed the water and the 1/2 cup of water and 1/2 cup of milk in the microwave for 1 minute. So I'm gonna put it in my bread maker. We're gonna use a bread maker to knead the dough. We're not gonna bake it in the bread maker. All we need to do is we need the bread maker to knead the dough for us. Okay, so when you put it in your bread maker, you're going to put it on dough. Okay, it's about 45 minutes, like pizza dough. All right, so 1 egg, put the egg in. We put in the wet ingredients first. Okay, and then we're gonna put the butter in. All right, and then we're now gonna put our dry ingredients. So this is the sugar, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and your 1 sachet of dry active yeast. So I'm gonna put it in gonna put it here. Put it in. Okay. And then we're gonna load it into the right here. See, it's on dough. See, put it on pizza dough. Okay, and it's gonna knead it for you because kneading takes forever. Kneading is too hard. Okay, so put it in, and then you go ahead and you start. Okay, and then after 45 minutes after it kneads, we're gonna take it out, and then I'll tell you what you do next. Okay, I'm back. My dough is ready. Dough is ready. So let me take it out. Dough is ready. Oh, nice. Nice one. So here we go. You know, I floured the cutting board a little bit, you know. So very nice. Ooh, take that out. Okay. So here we go. It's nice and soft. You don't want it to be too soft and not too hard. This is just perfect. Now you're gonna take nicely. See? Gonna take my olive oil. Nice one. Cooking spray or baking spray, it's fine. And then you're gonna take the next one. sure your hands are nice and clean, okay? Nice and clean. Wash your hands. Second one. Another one. You can use both hands. I'm recording, so I have I'm using one hand, but you could use both hands. It goes faster with both hands. I'm gonna stop recording and do the rest. So you got the deal, right? All right. So I'll be back. So here is the rolls. It's ready to go into the oven. I'm about to put it in the oven for 12 minutes, between 12 and 15 minutes. You just have to check after 12 minutes. It's going in now. All right, so it's finished right here. Very nice. Put it in for 12 minutes. You can brush it with butter after you finished. Okay. All right. I hope you try it. Bye. Yep. So here's your final product. Delicious dinner rolls. Everybody was gonna love it. All right. Bye. Try it.